Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy step on how to update Fishdom Game on your iPhone. If you're using an Android device, the process is similar. You can follow this step. First, go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search box and then type in Fishdom. Open up the Fishdom application and then if you see an update button in this page, instead of open, simply tap on the update button to get the latest version of Fishdom application on your iPhone, on your mobile device. If you see an open button, it means your application is up to date and you don't need to be doing that right now. Once the update is completed, open the application by tapping the open button and you should be able to update Fishdom application on your mobile device. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.